Hey everyone, here's how to assign tasks in ClickUp. First of all, just open your ClickUp account, and after that, just go to space list folder wherever you have added the tasks to which you want to assign the team member. All right, I'm going to click on this task. Just click on it, and here you will see this option assignees. Now just click on this option, and here type their email. All right, now you will see this option invite. Just click on it, and here you can change their access. Just click on this drop down arrow, and you can change to limited member, guest, admin, or add custom role. You can also change the permission to edit, comment, view only. And after that, just click on send invite. I'm going to select edit and limited member. Now click on send invite, and that's it. You are good to go. You can also just change the assignee by clicking on this under assignee, and you can add another assignee if you want. So that's it for the video. If you have any question, write down in the comment. Thanks for watching.